suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer or new. Thank you guys for tuning in, fam. And this is how we call show prep. So we got our toolbox over here now. We upgraded to a toolbox. Shout out to my brother-in-law. We got our tools in there. No more bags anymore. We got the lip kit, as you guys know, we're gonna be installing there. Huge shout out to Megan Racing for the ramps, guys. Also gonna be really useful right now to install that because all the car is lower, so now we're gonna install that. And I haven't properly revealed to you guys the car. Obviously you guys have seen it on my shorts now at this point, because my son was just, you know, he saw the car back and he was like, oh, Papa's car is here, and he just went and ran and saw the little details. He's this little kid, like my son is, you know, I have no words. Like, he's so little, you know, so like not even 3 years, so young. Not little, so young. He's getting big. And he noticed the little details, you know. He was like, oh, the nuts are red, you know, this and that, you know. I was like, oh yeah, you know. Oh, the car's low, you know. He was seeing the springs and everything. Like, he's just something else, you know. My wife was like, you're turning him into a car guy, you know. But it's a healthy hobby, just very expensive, that's for sure, and a lot of time consuming. So what we're gonna be doing first is washing the car, guys. Because you guys see this, you guys are like, oh nice, the car's clean, the rims are shiny. The rims actually are not shiny, the rims are just, you know, obviously they're new. But if you actually look closely, guys, yeah, the car hasn't gotten washed in, like, I think since I bought it, I didn't wash it once with my wife. But yeah, you guys have not seen the car like fully clean, so we're gonna full detail this car right now. Shout out to my wifey, because she got me every single detail option, which you guys have seen in previous videos. So we're gonna be using everything today, guys, like literally everything. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up the outside fully. The inside I might not do it just yet. I need to, for inside, guys, I'm bad at detailing inside. That's literally my wife. Like, that's the funny part of that. I know how to detail all the time. My wife knows the inside. So we'll get I'll get a proper detailer for the inside. But for show wise right now, we're just gonna do the outside, and then engine bay too as well, which I forgot right now. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then while we're watching this, the car, detailing the car, we're gonna finish painting the last coat, which I just remember, I don't know if I actually brought it. Oh, I did, okay. Which is the glossy now. One paint, this is the clear coat. We're gonna go ahead and do that. We actually did it for, whoops. We actually did it for the lip kit, which you can see how glossy it is, the sparkly and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Obviously we got the ramps. We're gonna go ahead and lift the car up with the ramps, and then hopefully it should be enough to go up there. And then I'll get my toolbox out in a minute, but right now I should just get it out right now. Might as well, right? Oops. All my little tools, all my bolts that I need for that lip kit. We're gonna be doing a different installation from what I seen. We're gonna install the lip just like how we did on the Camry, like very secure too as well. And yeah, but we're gonna have to go to the store too, as obvious and as always when you go do these type of installations, you gotta make an AutoZone run. So that's the funny part. So I might do that, get some double 3M stick tape, because I don't trust the ones that usually comes with any company. I don't trust none of them, because I've had issues before. So I like doing my 3M from AutoZone. So let's go ahead and do that, put my music on, and let's get washing, guys. guys will see the before and after on pictures to the end of the video. This car looks extremely fucking good now. Frames are shining. Look at the HGR86 over there. Look at that. Goddamn. Now the car looks good, guys. Now it's show ready. Tomorrow we'll have a second round of ceramic coating, but yeah, we gotta ceramic coat the rims too as well. But we'll do that tomorrow. Alright fam, so after washing the car and everything, it's the next day, guys. I got sunburn, my back is killing me. No more tank top today. Should have used sunblock. Every time I go on vacation I always use sunblock. But anyways guys, car is on the ramps, guys. As you guys know, shout out to Mega Racing for this ones. Got him on my first set of coils with them, you know, when they work on the Camry. But they come very, very handy, you know. Instead of doing the jack stand and, you know, doing that extra job, no, this is way easier. So now, guys, as you guys know, we're doing the Liplit installation, which I did paint match it, and it looks awfully like 98% good. I'm actually impressed, but left a little black right there, turns a bit different, you know what I mean? Stand out a little, but we'll see. I'm not feeling it so far, but maybe it'll grow on me. So one thing about doing this Liplit installation, guys, is one massive thing, and luckily I saw that coming, is once you put the bolts under here. Where is it? Right here, right here. You can see right here. Be careful when you guys drill holes on this side, because if you guys go too far up, you might have a hole right here, and oh my god, fixing the bumper is gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm doing short bolts here. I'm gonna do one which I already did that one over there, and two long ones here and here, because you know obviously there's room for them. But careful drilling the holes right here. It's best, I think, to do one here, one here, one in the middle, or two in the middle maybe. Yeah, I'll put two in the middle. It'd be extra secure. And two on that side, two on that side, and maybe this part just try to go as deep as possible. But I don't think it's gonna matter because it has the engine cover there. But just so you guys know, look at that. Get to hold the lip kit. Jesus, the ball right here too. This is some ghetto work. Anyways, guys, yeah, so we're doing that right now. For sure today we'll do a little last touch up on the detailing, second round of ceramic coating, and then should be good. But oh my god, I already killed a freaking fly here somewhere. Oh god, a mosquito, whatever that is. Anywho's, oh man, getting a headache. It's too hot. It's way too hot. Car's looking nice though. Fitment's perfect, on point. This is the first time I got the perfect fitment on the first try. Honestly, didn't take me a couple tries, so it's good. I love it. So don't have to stress about that. I can even go. The tires are like just stretched this much, and I can probably go one more size up on the fronts. But you know, once the tires go out, then for sure I'll do that. But yeah, there we go, guys. Let's see what. It looks, so far it's looking good. I like it, not gonna lie. That's a Duraflex lip kit combined with the MS wing, guess they call it. So we'll see how it looks afterwards. Hopefully we can get this done within an hour. Alright guys, so like I said about the lip kit, so I came to my friend's shop here and we took this piece out and added extra supports interior wise. Turn this around. So this is, the lip kit is definitely not coming off. Support there, support there. So they'll have support on the bottom, so it's for sure secure not to come out. So lip kit is installed, guys. Alright guys, for anybody of you asking what's under the Stinger, because there's no video exactly, so we got two mufflers here which connect to the two resonarators. That's why the car's extra quiet. We get a stock X pipe, second cats, and then we got a primary cats over there. So two of everything going down. We'll make a single pipe, maybe, but yeah, we have to see that down the road. Right now we're gonna see if we take the resonarators out, make a little bit of noise, not too much, just enough so the car is sounds more aggressive, I guess we can say. But a lot going on in this car. My friend just told me the transmission on this car is actually a BMW one, so good to know. I mean, obviously we kind of know that this car is like half BMW, but he also mentioned that, see, this car's been torqued around, so it looks like maybe they had the primary sensors out. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But we'll take this and we'll see how it sounds. So the stock X pipe is actually an X pipe. It does connect. Just found that out right now.